And he is a staggering waste of carbon! Who is this question? Oh, that's me, buddy, a couple of years ago. This not Grace. Yeah, it is. No. Friend Grace's different statement. Grace, nice. People change, Rock. I used to be a real jerk back in the day. Grace's pussy now statement. Huh? Grace's loser is okay. Grace can be pussy. Loser. Rocky like loser, Grace. How do you even know that word? Words of encouragement. Rocky, cool for Grace, Rocky, both. Okay, that's it. I'm putting parental locks on this thing. No parent lock. Grace is not Rocky Boss. Rocky is grown-ass Iridian. Well, you're acting like a pebble. Rocky, I am so sorry. Grace's dick statement. Grace mean to Rocky. Grace big dick. Ugh. Big dick. Huge, massive dick. Okay! Credits to the artist. I'm just 10 to Bill. I love the art. And, I hope you will let me use this. Because I love this comic. Thank you.